Top Safety Pick Plus. This Chevrolet Equinox boasts a gas 4-cylinder 2.4 liters/145 engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, engine, 2.4 liters DOHC, i4 VVT direct injection, DI, STD, windshield wipers and washers, front high-low with 3-speed variable delay incorporated, mist and wash, intermittent rear wiper. This Chevrolet Equinox comes equipped with these options: wheels, 17x7 painted aluminum, USB port and center console incorporated, iPod display and text, trailer towing, capacity 1,500 pounds/680 kilograms, traction control, tires, P225/65R17 all-season blackwall, tire pressure monitor, excludes compact spare tire, theft deterrent, electronic immobilizer, theft deterrent, anti-theft alarm incorporated, horn and lamp activation, suspension system, soft ride suspension, sunshades, dual with illuminated vanity mirror. The votes are counted as Top Safety Pick Plus with optional front crash prevention. Top Safety Pick Plus, KBB.com Brand Image Awards. The expert's verdict. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the 2014 Equinox is Chevrolet's torchbearer in the sizzling compact crossover segment. The Equinox stretches the boundaries of the term compact as it is noticeably larger than its rivals. That size difference affords more room for passengers in the second row seat and a larger presence on the road. The 2014 Chevy Equinox has a comfortable and quiet ride and drives like a more expensive car. It has an edge in passenger comfort, especially in the rear, where the bench seat can move several inches fore and aft to create more legroom. Up front, driver and passenger benefit from generous sized seats. The 2014 Equinox has a good blend of soft curves at its edges to balance the vehicle's rectangular shape. A long hood further helps even out the Chevy's proportions. It all works to give the Equinox an athletic appearance. Other standout aesthetics include the signature 2-bar grille, floating fog light bezels and creased fender flares. The 2014 Chevrolet Equinox comes standard with a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine that makes an adequate 182 horsepower. You may also choose the impressive V6 that puts out 301 horsepower. Both engines are connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive, FWD, is standard with all-wheel drive as an option for both engines. The 4-cylinder model can tow a maximum of 1,500 pounds while the V6 can pull 3,500 pounds. If you want a small but not too small SUV with plenty of passenger space, a comfortable ride and good fuel economy, consider the 2014 Chevy Equinox. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9T3L3 can get you a dependable Equinox today.